I just bring to you another awesome updates which you can use to make money daily by doing nothing. So this platform, I'll be making money from this platform. If you look at my screen now, you see that this is my withdrawal proof, and you see me withdraw $1.25 from this platform. And you can also do that every day by doing nothing. So all you need to do is just to click on the link in the description of the video and get registered. So once you register, it's all you are going to be doing in this platform to make money daily. So if you look at this place now, you see that there are different levels of earnings in this platform which you can use to make money every day. So if you come to this platform now, so if you come to this place now, you see that this is Top-GPT AI. So this platform now, this is Top-GPT AI. This platform, AI trade for you. You deposit just little amount of money and AI trade for you, and you'll be withdrawing your daily profits every day. So you'll be able to withdraw your daily profits every day for complete 365 days. So this is awesome platform. You can rush in now and start making money for yourself. So there are different levels of earnings in this platform. So if you look at this one now, you see Top-GPT AI version 1. So in this version 1 now, all you need to do is you need minimum deposit of 10 USDT, and you'll be earning 2.5 to 2.5% of your 10 USDT every day for complete 365 days. So if you multiply your earnings, your 2.5% of your 10 USDT, you see you'll be making around $91 with just your $10. So this is awesome. You're going to watch me and let me withdraw from this platform, and you see how I do it every day. I make money from this platform. You can start making money from this platform without much stress. So if you look at this AI version, Top-GPT AI version 2, you see you need 20 USDT minimum to unlock AI version 2, and you'll be withdrawing 3% of your money every day for complete 365 days. So you have AI GPT version 3. So in this one now, you need 500 USDT to unlock this one, and you'll be earning 4% of your money for complete 365 days, and you can be able to withdraw your capital. This is awesome. You can be able to withdraw your capital anytime you wish. So if you come to this place, you can earn money from referring your friends. So if you come here, if you want to refer your friends, you can just come here, come to home, click on invite friends, copy this link and share to your friends. Whenever you refer a friend, you are going to earn 17% of every referral you have in this platform, right? So if you want another way of earnings in this platform, you can just come to invest. So in invest now, you see AI short-term contract robot. So if you invest 30 USDT in this one, you'll be earning 1.4% for complete 3 days, and you can be able to withdraw your capital anytime you wish. So this is 2A short-term contract robot. So this one now, you need 50 USDT to invest in this place. You'll be earning 1.6% for complete 7 days, and you can be able to withdraw your money every day. So there are different ways you can earn from this platform. So this is awesome platform. You can rush in and start making money for yourself. You can just rush in and let me show you step-by-step guide on how you can register now and start making money for yourself. So if you want to start making money in this platform now, just click in the link in the description, and it will show you a place where you put your email and create a password. So once you create a password now, just come to me. You see you receive $1 once you get registered in this platform, and you'll be rewarded 7778 USDT. So if you want to start earning immediately in this platform now, you have to come to this place down here. This is quantify. Down here, if you look at this place, you see quantify. So you have to unlock any of these levels. I'm going to unlock level 1, which is 10 USDT. So I'm going to unlock this level now, so as I'll start making money from this platform. So I'll click on unlock, confirm. So it will take me to this place where I will copy this wallet address now, go to my exchange and recharge this. So remember, this is USDT wallet address, so you recharge it with USDT. So when I come to my exchange now, I will deposit. Click OK. I'll click on my wallet, withdraw. So I'm going to withdraw 10 USDT from my wallet to that platform. So I'm going to withdraw USDT. So I will select USDT here. So on-chain withdrawal. So after transferring this money now to my to that platform, and I will go back to that platform. So I'm going to do everything. So I'm done now. I will come here and click on quantify. If you look at level 1, you see I'm already currently on level 1. So I'll start quantifying. So this is the 10 USDT I deposited. So I'll come here now and quantify. So as I withdraw for today, so I'll click on this Bitcoin here, start quantifying. So after loading now, I'm going to be rewarded with some amount of money. So this is what you always do. Once you click on this Bitcoin logo here to start quantifying. So after quantifying, you're going to be rewarded with 0.2
to $0.1. So this is the first one. I will just click on cancel. So when I click on cancel here, I will click on it again for the second time, so it should start quantifying, and also reward me again with $0.12. So remember, I've been rewarded with $1 once I get registered. I cannot do this again. I will do this every 24 hours, and I will withdraw every 24 hours. If you look at this place now, I have $1.25. So I'm going to withdraw this now to my wallet address. So if I want to withdraw, I will click on withdraw. So in this place now, this is where I'm going to paste my wallet address. So I will need to paste my wallet address here. I will go to my exchange, copy my USDT wallet address. So this is my get.io. I will click on deposit, on-chain deposit. So the wallet address I'm going to copy is USDT wallet address. So everything you are going to do in this platform are USDT USDT. I'm going to look for USDT here. This is Tron 20. So I will copy the wallet address now. This is copy. I've copied. I will come back to this platform. So I'll just switch back to this platform. When I come to this platform, I'm going to paste the wallet address which I've copied here. So paste the address. So here I'm going to put the amount I want to withdraw, which is 1.25 USDT. I'll put it in this place, and then in the other place I'm going to put my password down. So the second one, you put your Telegram handle username. So once you're done, you click on confirm. So I wait. You see withdrawal successful. You see withdrawal successful. I go to my exchange now to know if I've been credited. So this is my get.io. This is what I have before. I'm going to refresh to know if the money has entered. Okay, you see the money has entered. This is $1.25, which means I've been credited. So this is just the way you can withdraw from your this platform to your bank every day without stress. So when I come back to this platform now, you see that the money has been debited from my wallet. So this is very simple way to make money daily without stress. So you can rush in and start making money for yourself. Very simple, right? This is very simple.
But guys, don't forget to do your own research, knowing fully well that everything about make money online are all risky. You need to do your own research and do with your money whatever you wish. Thanks guys for watching. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification button, so as each time I bring to you awesome update like this, YouTube will always get notified.